Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have some updates for you in the matter styled as Karen Laramie versus the City of Moscow. This is related to the Idaho versus Kohberger case because it has to do with the plaintiff, Ms. Laramie, who is the mother of Madison Mogen's, successfully obtaining a temporary restraining order from the court in Latah County, Judge Megan E. Marshall, which has now resulted in the City of Moscow stating that no further public record request would be fulfilled until this lawsuit was finalized. We have prepared and produced some prior presentations for you concerning the complaint, the temporary injunction, and also the fact that the parties, this is Ms. Laramie and the City of Moscow, entered a stipulation to reschedule a hearing on the restraining order that was set for last week. It is currently set to occur on the 28th of August. If you have not yet had an opportunity to review that content, please do. It provides, amongst other things, directions on how you can watch this hearing live as it will be transmitted to the public. There have been 2 new filings in the case. If you go to the court docket, you will see that Ms. Laramie has now filed an amended complaint. That means it now takes the place of the original complaint and it has additional facts apparently in it. We have not yet received a copy of this amended complaint, the operative pleading in this cause of action as of yet. Once we are able to successfully obtain it, we will advise you. Secondly, there's a declaration in support of the motion for temporary restraining order that was filed on the 23rd of August, 2025 by the plaintiff. This is a declaration of Maisie Chapin. She is the sister of Ethan Chapin, who was one of the 4 students that were lost at 1122 King Road in Moscow on that dark November 13th day of 2022. Maisie Chapin is in fact a triplet. She is one of the 3 Chapin triplets, along with Ethan and Hunter. So she has now produced evidence in the form of a declaration which would contain some further facts testified to by Ms. Chapin as to why the restraining order is proper and presumably should be extended. As of right now, the court has only extended the restraining order until the time of the hearing on the 28th. It is unclear what, if any, this amended complaint will have on the restraining order. Recall, the temporary restraining order was filed on the motion based on the original complaint. The original complaint, for all intents and purposes, does not exist anymore. It has been superseded by this first amendment, this first amended complaint filed by Ms. Laramie on the 23rd of August per the court docket. Again, once we have some further details to share with you relative to these recent developments, we will advise you. So please continue to stay tuned to the Indie Zone. And as always, if you have any comments, any feedback, any opinions regarding this matter, please leave them here. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.